If you spend endless amounts of money on Gatorade throughout the summer to keep you hydrated, I want you to stop. Now, Gatorade is a good source of hydration, but unfortunately, it's very expensive, usually high in sugar, and is lacking in a certain electrolyte. Today, I wanted to show you a super simple recipe for homemade Gatorade that is actually cheaper and better than the real one. It's only gonna need 3 major ingredients, so let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to put a link below for all the products we use down in the description so you can check those out for yourself. So the first 2 things you're going to need is some salt, and the salt that we are using in this video is just great value iodized salt, and then the secret recipe is what we call Morton Lite salt. This Morton Lite salt is the secret to this recipe because unlike normal salts that you buy at the store, this salt actually has some potassium and sodium in it. A lot of times potassium is really neglected in a lot of different sports drinks, so this one we are going to bump up the potassium quite a bit. In addition to that, you're going to need some of these flavoring packets. It can either be powder, it can be squirt, basically whatever you want. I got these from Walmart as well. They're about $2 a pack, and the normal salt I got is literally about $1, I think, and this light salt is about $2. So once you have that, you're going to need a measuring spoon, and you're simply going to measure a 1/4 teaspoon, which is of course a serving size of each of these different salts. Go ahead and toss those salts into your container that you have a bunch of liquid you're gonna fill up. And make sure you have a large container for liquid because you are going to toss your salts in there. Mine's about a 64-ounce jug. I'll link this down below as well. Once you have those 2 servings of salt in your drink, you're going to add a flavoring packet as well. And then once you're done with that, you can simply fill this guy up with some water. Now in this entire thing, it's gonna be about 880 milligrams of sodium and 350 milligrams of potassium. Compared to if I filled the same amount of liquid with Gatorade, it would be 853 milligrams of sodium and only 240 milligrams of potassium. So not only are you getting a little bit more potassium, but you're saving so much money because you can do this at home. Of course, all of this is sugar-free, but if you do want to get some extra sugar into your diet, through this sports drink, it will actually increase the hydration rate. But many of the individuals that watch this channel are usually diabetic or have health concerns and trying to manage their weight. So this one is 0 sugar. Feel free to add a little bit of table sugar into this drink or just have a banana or other piece of fruit with the drink for some extra sugar and better hydration. Like this video if it provided some value for you, and subscribe to the channel as we help individuals with all abilities inside the gym and become healthier in life. And if you're looking for a super quick and simple burrito bowl recipe, I'm going to link a video I made right here giving you a great way to do exactly that. To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.